Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, February the 6th. My name is Judge Esparza. We have a couple of read hearings scheduled for this afternoon. The defendants are present in the courtroom. They are all English speaking. We do not have a court reporter today. If you're requesting a court reporter, your case will be reset for another date. If I don't have any objections to proceeding without the court reporter, we shall do so. Not hearing any objections, we will proceed. The first case I'm going to call is C-1015-24-I, State of Texas versus Brandy Diaz. Ms. Diaz is present in the courtroom. If you'll just stand right there in the center of the room, Ms. Diaz. A little bit further back so you can see yourself on the TV. Look at the monitor. Okay, face the monitor, please. She is present. This is Mr. Garcia's
yes, Your
case.
Honor. I'm at Roel Garcia on behalf of. Yes, Your Honor. We're here before a bond reduction, Your Honor. I believe that we've discussed this with the state, and they're not in agreement.
What are you asking, Mr. Garcia?
Your Honor, they're currently set at 10,000, 1,000, and 3,000. We're not having any issues with the 1,000 and the 3,000. However, the $10,000 bond is a little high for my client's family, so we're asking for it to be reduced.
Mr. Garcia, are you driving right now? Can you pull over?
No, I'm pulled over. I'm in the parking lot.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yes,
on
sir.
the case that has $1,000 bond, the complaint has already been filed, so I don't have jurisdiction over that one. You don't have any concerns with the $1,000 bond, so you're looking at just the assault on a public servant charge. Andy, is that correct? The state's opposed to any reduction?
Your Honor, that's probably correct. Although I have not spoken to my supervisor on it. They had me come on today to address this. Considering the type of offense, Your Honor, we would be amenable to a $7,500 bond on it. I will defer the court, Your Honor.
Your
Okay.
Honor, if we could have a 5,000, I think that would work out real good for all concerned.
So. Raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name. You can put your hand down. State your name, please.
Brandy Diaz.
A little louder.
Brandy Diaz.
How old are you, Brandy?
I'm 27.
What city do you currently live in?
McAllen.
Who do you live with?
I recently lost my apartment and I was staying with this guy. And well, yeah, but now I'm gonna stay with my mom.
Understand that when you were arrested, the magistrate issued a protective order. And the protected person is Sylvester Garza. Is that the individual that you were staying with? Cannot have any contact with him for 61 days. That means don't call him, don't call him from here, don't text message, Facebook, Snapchat, anything. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
That would be a violation of the protective order, and you will be arrested again. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
This protective order will expire. Let's see, it was issued. When did it expire?
April 12th.
It won't expire until April the 12th. So until then, no contact with him. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Don't go driving by that address, and they'll give you a copy of the order when you're released.
It was just a friend.
Okay, well, don't go drive by there because you will be arrested again. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole right now?
Yes, I was on probation.
For a felony or misdemeanor?
Misdemeanors.
Okay. You have kids?
Yes, I have two.
Who are they with right now?
They're with my mom.
Is that where you're gonna be living?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bond will be reduced to $5,000, cash surety, random UAs through probation. If you're on probation, you continue reporting, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Probation may contact you to go in and get drug tested. You make sure you show up, you understand? No drugs, no alcohol. Is that clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Anything else, Mr. Garcia?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck
Thank
to
you,
you.
Your Honor.
She may be excused. This case we're gonna call is C-0959-24-J, State of Texas versus Raul Iseta. Iseta is present. You do speak English, correct, sir? He's present in the courtroom. Mr. Cancher, this is your motion. You may proceed, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. We made contact with the state. They're in agreement to lower it to 10,000. However, my client still cannot afford that. Respect requesting of the court would grant him a $5,000 cash surety bond for this case, Your Honor. Mr. Iseta is a citizen, and he has a place to stay away from the alleged victim.
Andy?
That's
Get your
correct, Your Honor.
recommendations, too.
Our recommendation is to reduce to 10,000, also with the condition of no contact with the victim, Your Honor.
I don't believe there was a protective order issued on this one. Right? Let's see one. First. That's for Mary.
Juana Maria Villanova. Continue to protect Mary Gomez and the members of the family and household, Juana Maria.
Raise your right hand, sir. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? State your name for the record, please. How old are you, Mr. Iseta? Are you currently on probation or parole?
On probation.
Probation for a misdemeanor or felony?
Misdemeanor.
Misdemeanor assault, correct?
Yes, sir.
The protective order issued on this case, which means you cannot have any contact with the protected person, Mary Gomez. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That means same thing I told that other individual, no phone messages, no text messages, no Facebook messages. Don't drive by the address. Don't go by her place of business. Don't go by her home. Don't go by, I think it had this kid's school. To the address at 402 North Cesar Chavez in Alamo. Is there any other one? Or a place of business. So it's,
Childcare facility or school.
or anywhere where her children or her family members attend. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
This will expire. When does it expire?
The 23rd of May.
And this will be in effect until the 23rd of May. No contact whatsoever. You understand that? You have any, you need to have some questions, you speak to your attorney if you make bond. They'll give you a copy of the protective order when you get out of here, so you've been warned now, and you'll get a copy when you leave, so there's no excuses, you understand?
Yes, sir.
We'll go ahead and reduce your bond to $5,000 cash surety. No contact with the victim. Random. Random new age to probation. They contact you, to go in and get drug tested, you make sure you show up, you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Canche?
That's all I have, Your Honor. May be excused.
Yes, sir. Have a good afternoon. Thank you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good luck to you. Go ahead and have a seat. Got one more case, State of Texas versus Jose Medrano, C-0984-24-A. Andy, have you heard from, this is Sergio Sanchez's case, have you heard from him at all?
No, Your Honor, no, we haven't. At least I haven't. And however, we do have a recommendation to reduce to 50,000. It's possible that he spoke to Annalise. I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Okay. Your recommendation is to reduce it to 50,000?
Yes, sir. He's been to prison before, Your Honor. So that's
Yes, I saw that. This is a possession charge, right?
yes, sir.
I don't see Mr. Sanchez. We contacted his office. He said he would be logging on. Hang up, Mr. Medrano. Raise your right hand. You swear, right there, fine, right there, move back some. You can see yourself on the TV?
I can't see myself, but
Right there? Oh, it doesn't show you? You're good right there. All right. Raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? State your name, please, for the record.
Jose Lindo Medrano III.
You spoken to your attorney, Mr. Medrano?
I spoke to him yesterday on the phone
Did speak to him?
yeah, and I told him if there was any way that he could try to help me for the bond reduction as far as a PR bond. I'm the only man in the family. I just recently lost my dad when I was in prison. So when I got out, I kind of went through a little rough phase. I lost myself. I wasn't able to make to go to the funeral. I'm mentally disabled, my brother's disabled. I'm a single dad. 6-year-old son.
Stay off the drugs, sir. It's not gonna help you. You wanna clean up, you're not going in the right path.
I told my lawyer to see if you can push for a PR bond with AIP. Because I really don't have a lot of money to be. All my money goes to the bills. And my little brother just graduated, he's gonna graduate this year.
Okay, hang on just a minute. Let's see if your attorney logs on. Is your attorney appointed or retained?
Appointed.
What city do you currently live in, sir?
Donna,
Who do you live with?
with my mom and my little brother and my son.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work for Big Value Auto Auctions in Donna, Texas. North Auto Road.
What do you do there?
I transport cars and deliver and pick up for Charlie Clark, Ed Payne, Honda, Clark Honda. I pick them up from the company site and then take them to the auction so we can watch them and then we post them across.
You live in Donna. Who'd you say you live with?
With my mom, my brother, and my son
How long have you been living at that address?
since 2014. When my dad built, but he left.
You have children?
Yes.
How many?
I got 3 sons. I only have single custody of one.
How old is that child?
6 years old. Alejandro Jose Medrano.
He lives with you?
Yes, sir.
Who is he with right now?
With my mom and my brother. Sometimes my sister will help because he's.
This is why you need to clean up your act. You can't take care of him if you're locked up, right? How old did you say you were?
Who, me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm 35, sir.
Not a little kid anymore, sir.
I know.
Right.
My oldest is, I'm a grandpa now.
That's right. Well, you're not gonna do him any good locked up in jail. I'm gonna reduce your bond. Bond will be reduced to $7,500 cash surety. Random UAs through probation. Are you on parole right now, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, you're not on probation?
No, sir.
Random UAs through probation. They will contact you. There's Mr. Sanchez now. Hang on just a minute. Good afternoon, Mr. Sanchez. We just got started on your case.
Thank you, Judge. Yes, sir.
The state is recommending bond reduced to $50,000 cash surety. I'm going to reduce, well, you want to give your pitch?
Yeah, Your Honor. Yes, sir. I know this is Mr. Medrano. I spoke with him just the other day. I'm appointed counsel, and I'm only offering that, Judge, just to prove his indigency. He's been screened and deemed indigent by the county. Unable to make the bond is currently set. He's been in custody for, I think we're going on 2 weeks now. Judge, yes, sir, Your Honor. I know it's a drug charge, and in candor, Your Honor, I'm not familiar with his criminal history, but we're based on his inability to make a payment. We're asking for a $5,000 cash surety.
And it did indicate that he spoke to you earlier. He spoke to you yesterday via phone. We'll go ahead and reduce. I was going to reduce it to $7,500, but I'll reduce it to $5,000 cash surety. Random UAs through probation. Stay in contact with your attorney, sir. You understand that? If you make bonds, stay in contact with your attorney. This is just to get you familiar with the process. This will just get you out of jail. If you make bond, you're still going to have to show up to the courthouse at a later date to take care of this matter. You understand that?
There's no AIP on this. It's not a PR bond, right?
No, it's not a PR bond. It's $5,000 cash surety. So you will have to post a bond. Talk to a bondsman. They'll tell you how much they're going to charge you. Random UAs through probation. Anything else, Mr. Sanchez?
Your Honor, that's all, and thank you for recalling the case, Judge. And we appreciate it, Your Honor.
No problem.
Thank you,
All right, sir.
Judge.
Good luck to you. Thank you, Andy.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care. Have a good afternoon.